everyone is misguided, everyone is acting in this world under the bodily concept of life, and they are very, very much unhappy on account of this. Because as soon as one understands that I am not this body, he immediately becomes Brahma realizes, Brahma Bhuta, and immediately becomes happy. Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma. Prasannatma means, what do you mean by Prasannatma? Na sochati, na kankati, no more material desire. That is Brahma Bhuta. Everyone is trying for material sense gratification. The animals, the bees, the birds, and the human being, that is material world. He is simply sochati and kankati. When there is loss, he is crying, and when there is no possession, he is hankering. These are the two diseases of material existence. So, when one is Brahma Bhuta, he realizes that I am not this body, I am spirit soul, aham brahmasmi. Then the next stage is na sochati, na kankati. That is the... But that is not all. That is not all. That is not steady. Brahma bhuta prasannatma na sochati na samas sarveshu bhuteshu. At that time, because he is not in the bodily platform of life, he does not see the body, but he sees the soul. So as spirit soul, we are one. Simply we are differently dressed in different body on account of our desire and karma. So one who has realized that I am not this body, he does not make any difference of body. Thank you very much.